Hey chickies, thanks for hanging out today. We're going to be unboxing the November Boxycharm. This is the $25 a month monthly subscription inside your guaranteed 5 full-size items. So I hope you'll join me for today's video. If you're new here, I'm Christine, curate beauty, lifestyle, as well as raw vlogs. Greatly appreciate it if you please subscribe to my channel. Would absolutely love it if you'd be a part of the Chickie crew. Also, don't forget to hit that bell to be notified of new videos. So just a little disclaimer, this was sent to me from Boxycharm for reviewing purposes. But you know, here on my channel, regardless if I like it or not, I will definitely let you know the deal. This is the $25 base box. We'll leave the link for Boxycharm down below in the description box. And honestly, my box this month looked like it went through something. Hopefully the items in here are completely fine. So they included a postcard, which I always do appreciate, and this month's theme is called Harvest. And on the back, it gives you a description of each of the items in here, their retail value. First thing I have here, it just says Peach Palette. Hold on. Natasha Denona? What? Hold on. Hold on. I do not own any Natasha Denona items at all. Wow. Oh my gosh. That is gorgeous. That's beautiful. All about oranges, those burnt, warm colors. This is like a palette that's definitely right up my alley. It's a 5-pan palette featuring Natasha's essential everyday warm-toned eye pigments that she mixes and matches from her favorite palettes. All reorganized and wrapped into one, composed of both creamy matte and metallic formulas from the cult classic Blvd, Safari, and Sunrise eyeshadow palettes. You'll find yourself reaching for this all season long. And this retails for $48. Wow, so you basically have like the all-in-one in here. You have a brow bone color. You have also a great transition color, which is this one right here. So watch all of these because I'm really curious how these are going to perform. Ooh, that is stunning. Bodyography, and what is this? Eye pencil 2-pack. Oops, the lid fell off. Onyx, and then we also have black walnut. Just kind of wish that the lids were a little bit more secure. So this one is black walnut. Seems like it's pretty creamy. And then this one is onyx. You can see a little comparison between the two. These super smooth coconut oil infused pencils glide on without dragging at the delicate skin around the eye. These eye pencils are rigid enough to provide a crisp, clean line, yet can easily be smudged during application for a smoky effect. And this retails for $16. Alright, so you know what? I know exactly who I'm going to be giving these to because they are in need of a new eye pencil. I'm going to be giving these to my mom. Next item we have here is from the brand Jouer. Yes, so we have something from Jouer. What is this? Essential Lip Enhancer, conditioning lip treatment. And I think especially now during the colder months, since it's already feeling like fall here in Southern California, having a lip conditioner is super important. So let's read about this. Infused with good for you clean ingredients, this lip enhancer offers a smooth, silky formula that will protect your lips from environmentally damaging elements while providing lasting hydration. This retails for $17. Let's actually put it over what I'm wearing. Okay, so it feels nice on the lips, but I love how it has, my lipstick is kind of all over the applicator of this, but I like how it's straight from the tube, so you can just apply it when you're out and about. It's not something where you have to like dig your finger or like apply some to your finger just for like sanitary purposes. So I kind of like that it's in a squeeze tube. The brand Earth Harbor, and this is an anti-pollution youth ampoule. What is this? Ooh. Named after the powerful Greek deity of the sun, Helios Anti-Pollution Youth Ampoule is an almighty ambrosia brimming with ultra-reparative plant stem cells and a foundation of youth-preserving red algae. Restore antioxidants, balance skin pH, and smooth fine lines and wrinkles. And this retails for $48. This is really interesting, right? Let's open this. So I guess you just kind of apply it similar to a serum. I will have to give this a try because I've never heard of anything quite like this. We have here, can't read the name because of the packaging, but it does say that it's a lip oil. Yeah, I think it says it's a lip oil. It's INT Cosmetics lip oil. This is the perfect product for those who want hydration and moisture, but only a flush of color. This lip oil can easily be applied on the go on top of lipstick for an added sheen, and this retails for $11. You know what? Let me open this. Oh, it smells good. Let me say that. It does smell good, and it does give your lips a little bit of a tint. So I don't think it's going to look red. It'll just give your lips like a nice little sheer tint. We received 5 full-size items, and the ones I'm really excited to try out would have to be the Natasha Denona palette, just because this is the first Natasha Denona palette that I'm going to be trying out, and just from swatching, it looks like it's very promising. The 2 lip products. I need a lot of hydration, anything to help with my chapped lips, so very happy that they included 2 of these. The eye pencils, I know somebody who will definitely enjoy these. Also, this product, the red algae, it is quite interesting. I have to incorporate this to my skincare to see how it works out, especially because it's red algae. All in all, I think this month's box is another good one. Very, very excited to play around with all these products. Really curious if you received Boxycharm, what was in your box? Did we get the same items or did we get completely different things? I would love to know. And also, have you tried out any of these products that were in my Boxycharm? Hope you enjoyed hanging out today and found this video helpful. If you did, please make sure you give it a like. Subscribe if you have not already. Would love for you to be part of the Chicky crew. Thank you, Chickies, so much for watching. Stay safe and healthy, and I will see you in the next video. Mwah.